So today I'll be showing you how to share your AirTag's location with someone else, maybe a family member or a friend. So what you want to do is simply go to the Find My app and then go to Items. And you should be able to see your AirTag right there. Now, if you tap on it, you can see all the details about your specific AirTag. Now, let's say you want to share it with this person. Okay, so all you have to do is on this information page, you want to look for Share AirTag option. It's right below the Play Sound button. So you want to tap on Add Person. And then it says others can locate this AirTag and tracking notifications will be muted for that person. Okay, so you want to tap on Continue and then look for the person you want to share this AirTag with. So I'm going to choose this particular contact. And then once that contact is chosen, I'll tap on plus. Now you can add other contacts that you want to share your AirTag's location with, and you can share it with several contacts. So once that contact is added, you can see it says pending because they're going to get an invitation. Now, this contact will get a notification like that, okay, which is time sensitive. Even if they miss that notification, they can simply go to the Find My app and they'll see a request to share an AirTag. So it says this person wants to share this item with you in Find My. So to accept, they'll have to tap on Add, and then they can see the name of the AirTag. They can actually see the owner of that AirTag. And if they want to accept, they'll tap on Add. If you want to reject, just tap on Don't Add. So since we want to accept, I'll tap on Add, and that AirTag is going to be added to the Find My app of that particular user. So anytime they go to the Find My app, they go to Items, they should be able to see their own AirTag, and also they can see the AirTag that's shared with them. And they can open up that AirTag, they can play sounds on that shared AirTag. They can see the owner of the AirTag, and if they no longer want that AirTag shared with them, they can always go ahead and remove that specific AirTag. Now, for some reason, it's not working right now, the play sound option, but it does work. All right, now it works. I had to, it says AirTag, it was saying AirTag currently being located by another user, and that's because I had my Find My app open. Now, I had to close that. Now, you can play a sound on a shared AirTag. You can navigate to a shared AirTag. And again, you can remove a shared AirTag. Okay. So that is basically how to share an AirTag with someone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.